The Kooker KK2S deep fry pan is like a reliable friend in your kitchen. Ready for frying tasks. It is made of stainless steel, so it should last a good while. This pan often comes with a lid and sometimes a basket. These extra pieces can be helpful when you are cooking. The Kooker KK2S deep fry pan aims to make frying easier for everyone. And its simple design reflects that. This Kooker KK2S deep fry pan can be used for many things. Not just deep frying. You could boil or sauté in it too, which makes it quite versatile. While it is not made of fancy Tir-Ply material or coated with ceramics to be non-stick, its stainless steel build has its own advantages, like being easy to clean. Remember that this pan does not boast about fancy software integration or employee health management features. It's a straightforward cooking tool. For someone looking for a no-fuss deep fry pan, the Kooker KK2S deep fry pan could be a good option. It does its job without exaggeration. If you need a simple pan for frying, and features like PFOA-free surfaces aren't your main concern, this could be it. It's a basic but functional piece for your cooking needs. The Kooker KK2S deep fry pan is a simple tool for frying. Pros. Includes a lid, 2 side handles, basket included, heat-resistant handle, easy to clean. Versatile use, good heat retention, even cooking. Cons. Thin stainless steel, bottom can bow, lid may not fit, basket smaller than pan, poorly made. Reported, not heavy gauge, smaller cooking area, thin material used, defective items reported. Quality mixed feedback features. Stainless steel pan, includes a lid, comes with a basket, 2 side handles, heat resistant. Handle 10-quart capacity, easy to clean, durable build, good for frying, rectangular shape. The Kooker KK2S is a 10-quart, rectangular pan made of stainless steel, which means it's strong and easy to clean. It's good for frying food and comes with a lid to help keep the heat in and a basket to easily take food out. The pan also has 2 handles on the sides to help you carry it. And the basket has a handle that doesn't get too hot. It's built to last. The Kooker deep fry pan is made of thin stainless steel and comes with a lid, 2 side handles, and a basket with a heat-resistant handle, making it easy to clean and good for different kinds of cooking with decent heat holding and even cooking. However, some people have reported that the bottom can bend. The lid might not fit well. The basket is smaller than the pan, and the quality seems to be mixed, with some saying it's poorly made and uses thin material, and there have been reports of defective items, leading to a smaller cooking space than expected.